JT, the biggest chip shot of his career. He gets this in. He's got a commanding lead here. Club of choice, pitching wedge, distance 6 yards, pin 90 deg angle, a bit of roll left to right. I reckon he's got this one in the bag. Oh, in the context, okay. Club of choice.
Yeah, what are you going for here, Coop?
It's about 60 yards to the hole here, and I got the tree as a factor, so I want to hit it underneath the tree. So I'm thinking a cheeky 8.
Yeah.
I'm thinking a cheeky 8 will do the job here. Just to sit up there, you know, just get to the edge of the green. Try to.
Let's get this fucking kite out of the way, eh? Get her in there, mate. Fuck, that's it. That's in the fucking bushes. Oh my.
What I fucking said. Just what I said.
That's a really good shot.
Just what I
Right, well, it's
said.
fuck.
Wait. Run us through the club of choice. What club have we got here?
Just a 7-iron. I just want to get it up.
Just pitch it up there a little bit.
Not on the full, really, on the green. Just
to the edge of the green, just the edge of the D floor for a little chip and run. Yeah.
I can run in. Get it up there. Get in the
See if the game plan works.
Right.
Holy fuck. Would have been good, but just couldn't get it on the guts. Pitch and wedge, club of choice again.
Gale force.
Shorter putt. I mean shorter chip, so.
Gotta get over that bump though.
This is my range.
Must get it over the
Little
bump.
tip, go back a little bit, come right through.
Cooper Busby. Gets it over.
That's how you fucking chip.
Ooh.
Fuck. Oh mama, it's a big slice. Actually not that bad. Recoverable. Oh, tree. Oh, that's nasty.
Fuck me.
That is nasty. Chance of a hole in one here.
That is down the guts. That's the best shot of the day.
Short, but it's really short. Should have gone an 8 there.
That's the shot of the day.
But I'll
That
take
is
that
shot
shit.
of
I'll
the
fucking
day.
take that shit. I'll take that. I'm gonna try to go back to back good sand wedges. Could be costly. Oh,
That's
you
huge.
fucking
That's
fat
big in the
fuck.
context.
You
That's
fucking
big.
fat motherfucker. Keep her going. Bring them
Spree, we'll just roll it up to the fucking hole. So what do you think, Coop?
Thought I'd go for back to back good sand wedges, but I fucked it, and now I'm in dangerous territory here. I'm gonna go the putter. I'm gonna go for a rough putt.
Ooh.
Will be costly, but that's where I like it.
Coop's putting's been on all day. This is a big putt. Oh my god.
Bounce out
Oh
of the
my
hole.
fucking god.
Needs to kick. Needs to curve. Oh, not a bad putt. Fucking hell, I hit that far. Oh no.
aerodynamic.
That is what you call a sinkhole. You know what? Go on the sandwich.
Sandwich.
Go on the sandwich.
For me. It's a big shot for the sandwich. Over the tree too. Get in the fucking hole. And he's gone below it, but that's gonna work. And I thought it was gonna, oh my God. That could have been the best bounce I've ever seen in my life.
Come the fuck on. Get the fuck. First off. Final scores. Wobby 72, JT 75. It's a well fought match here. Well fought match there. See, Wobby wins a palming. We're never playing golf again in Gale Force because fucking hell, it's just hard. So fucking never playing golf again, you fucking mother fat fucks.